The seclusionist lens is very interesting. If you think of it in its simplest terms, it's individuals who would tend to say, I feel most comfortable with my own kind. Now, the challenge in the workplace, I believe, is twofold. Is the individuals may have this firmly held belief, and that's how they want to operate, but they also know it probably is not wise to voice those kinds of things in this day and age. So what the organization has to do is to make sure that the seclusionist, if they are in positions of authority or policy setting or policy interpretations, is to make sure that somehow that's not playing out. And of course, it's very important because of employment law that if you have a seclusionist, you may end up having a liability for that person's conduct and actions in only bringing in their kind and not considering other individuals.